This is third violin for violin. I'm going to talk you through third position and then how to play number 1, number 2, and 3 in our packet. So third position, I'm going to do this all on my D string. Usually when I have a G, right here, that's my yellow tape, I play with a third finger. Third position is just taking your first finger and placing it up on that tape. So you're just playing the same note with a different finger. When we shift, we want to make sure we keep our hand shape the same and that we move our thumb with our first finger. So for number 1, all you're practicing doing is playing the shift from first finger on E to first finger on G and then back. And sometimes you see that there is an open G written with it. It's just there so you can tune and make sure that your note is set in place as you play. So I am going to play through number 1. Now we're going to go to number 2. So number 2 is the same exact shift. When we play a G, we're going to move up and put our first finger on that yellow tape. But now we're going to add in the note A. So where you would have your 4th finger tape, you're just going to set your 2nd finger. So here I'm going to be shifting from E up to G with my first finger, and then making sure that I have that space so that I have a whole step between 1 and 2. And if you have that 4th finger tape, that's where you're going to set your 2nd finger. And now for number 3, we are going to add our B flat. So again, we're shifting first finger up to that G on the 3rd finger tape, setting our 2nd finger a whole step away. And then when we go to play the B flat, it's only a half step from A to B. So we're gonna make sure our 3rd finger is right next to our 2nd finger touching. So number 3. So all of these shifts are exactly the same for violin and viola, just our strings are in different places on our instrument. When you see the Roman numerals, remember just a 1 is first position. When you see the 3 lines, that just means 3rd position. And number 3 is especially great for starting to practice reading those different finger patterns in position.